Imagine your child, still a student, co creating an AI tool with the Google Innovation Leader, or solving a sustainability challenge with IKEA's product director, or cracking a business case with a McKinsey consultant. And imagine those mentors becoming advocates, writing powerful letters of recommendation and opening doors to future opportunities for your child. This is the world VisionnaireX creates for its students. At VisionnaireX, students work one-on-one with seasoned professional leaders from the world's most admired companies, prestigious universities, and purpose-driven startups. Our mentors are people shaping high-growth businesses and innovation today. Directors, VPs, heads of product, AI leaders, senior consultants, guiding students to build impactful portfolio-ready outcomes. VisionnaireX is not just a mentorship program, it's a powerful career launchpad. In the AI era, while knowledge is abundant, proof of ability is still rare. Universities and employers prioritize work experience, references and endorsements, demonstrable real-world outcomes. Our students create undeniable evidence of their potential, giving them a competitive advantage in admissions, scholarships, and career opportunities, as authentic, applied experience is highly valued today. 95% of our students benefited from stronger, more competitive profiles. They experienced 9 times higher acceptance odds at top universities and secured internships of their choice. Our past student, Aileen, she raised funding from 2 health tech investors after her dementia innovation project. Another past student of ours, Lars, secured a spot at a top university with a full scholarship. Nika showcased her prototype at a tech conference and even earned her Stanford admit. And Madison now has a lifelong mentor, currently a VP of data science, and even received a standing offer to join her mentor's team in the future. Our impact has been recognized by respected global publications, including USA Wire, The Tribune, MSN, Resident Magazine, and others. Our projects cover the most in-demand domains in the world today, including digital health, product development, climate tech, machine learning, business strategy, no-code AI, entrepreneurship, cybersecurity, UX, data science, and more. We offer 3 tracks: Summit with C-suite leaders, Catalyst, where a senior leader guides your child to build an advanced personalized project, and Ignite for beginners. In our flagship programs, every student is paired with a senior leader from the world's top organization: Google, McKinsey, Adidas, Meta, OpenAI, Nike, Philips, Spotify, and many more. And because VisionnaireX project is highly personalized, we prefer to only mentor 50 students a year. In 2025, 80% of those seats were already filled by February. Here are a few mentor examples: a chief commercial officer formerly at the European Space Agency, a data science and AI leader from Adidas, a VP of brand innovation from Goldman Sachs, and so on. AI leaders from Tesla, Apple, Canva, and Miro, climate innovators from Oxford, engineering directors, product leaders, health tech innovators, and more. These are the people guiding students one-on-one for unmatched impact. While other programs rely on PhD mentors or recent graduates, our students work with professional leaders who are actually shaping high-growth tech industries, businesses, and innovation at a fees that is significantly more accessible than any other premium program. Looking at past projects, our students have built AI tool for dementia care with a health tech director, analyzed sports performance with an analytics director, crafted business strategy with a management consultant, created sustainability framework with founder of a fast-growing climate startup, designed digital prototype for fintech, created launch campaign with Canva's marketing lead, and so on. Student meets their mentor for 1 hour a week and spend around 3 hours doing meaningful project work. Projects typically finish in 2 to 4 months, and students can start any time in the year. Students do not need any prior knowledge, and pace and complexity of the project are customized per student. Using their project outcome, students boost their academic profiles with strong recommendation letters, gain access to early professional networks, win awards, secure internships that are hard to achieve otherwise. Some pursue startup journeys and raise funding from investors, while others have applied patents for their innovation. Either way, all students walk away with a deeper sense of confidence and direction. Parents consistently tell us that our program continues to pay off for years, long after the project ends, because the mentorship, the portfolio, the network, the recommendation letters, the skills gained keep helping their children through university, internships, and early career opportunities. If your child is passionate about building something meaningful, if they want mentorship that truly opens doors, and if you want a program that creates real lasting impact, VisionaireX would be an incredible fit. We encourage you to apply early. Last year, 80% of seats were already filled by Feb. Only 50 students globally will be accommodated into a flagship track for 2026. Thank you, and you can always contact us for more details. Imagine your child, still a